Okay, so let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE in 2008. So in this question, what has been asked is that we need to rearrange the words of the letters of this word, Mississippi, such that no two S are adjacent. So in such cases, first of all, we try to write out how many letters are there and then write them down in the orders. So M is actually one time, then I is one, two, three, four times, I is four times. Then S is actually four times as well. And then your P is two times. And then you just count the again latest whether you got everything right. So 2 to 4, 5 to 7 to 9 to 11. So that looks okay. Now what we want to do is that we don't want all the S's to be adjacent, right? So for that, what we will do is that first we will rearrange the letters, these seven letters. So we have got seven spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then seven places, if we have to arrange these letters like 1, 4, and 2, then they can be arranged in factorial 7 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2 ways. And why is that is because these letters are repeated, so they are duplicate letters, so they can be arranged in so many ways. Now I'm looking at arranging the S letter. Now they should not be adjacent together, meaning that it can't be like two S could be together or three S's could be together or four S's could be together, right? So to ensure that none of them are together, what I'm doing is that we're looking at all the spaces which are available um, between these letters, right? So there are eight spaces available, right? In eight spaces, I could choose four spaces, and then these four spaces I will arrange these letters. Like if I want to write, we can write factorial 4 upon factorial 4 ways, which is one way only. So choosing four places out of eight places and then arranging these letters. So if S and S and S and S come there, then of course they're not together. Or there could be that S over here, S over here, S over here, and S over here as well. Then they are not together, right? So because there are letters in between. So this is what is my final answer. And then we'll check the answers here, and none of them are actually looking like the answer which we're having. So it looks like we need to rearrange them, right? So we have got something like 8C4 over here. So 8C4 is here actually, and 8C4 is over here as well, right? Now what can we do? So we can look at 8C4 and then write factorial 7 as 7 into say factorial 6, and then leave this factorial 4 and factorial 2. Now, if you look at this could be written as 6C4. So I could write as 7 into 6C4 into 8C4, and that is what will be my answer, right? So this is what is my answer. Okay, so this was a very simple question, okay, which appeared in, I suppose, 2008 exam. All right. So if you have any questions about it, please do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.